Hey guys, it's Berto here with a quick message. I hope you like the new setup that I have here, and I want to announce that I'm going to start a few different series on this channel. I know mostly I've just been doing unboxings with a couple videos about 3D printing here and there, but I'm going to start a series on 3D printing, doing different projects. I have a prop video that I'm going to put out soon. And another series that I'm gonna start is refurbishing Gameboys. I'm gonna dip my toe into that and see how that goes, and probably expand it to different consoles and everything. I will still be doing unboxings from time to time whenever I get new products in. I will definitely be doing that. So if you're a fan of that type of content, that will still be around. But for everybody else, I'm gonna expand my horizon a little bit, and hopefully you guys like it. So stick around. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell button just so you guys get notifications of those new videos, and we will see you next time.